Hey, Jessie, are you happy today? Are
Yes.
you okay today? Wow, that's very good to know. So, are you ready for our lesson today?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so perfect. So, for our lesson for today, so we will continue our lesson last time, which is all about school supplies. So, for this one, let's see if you still remember the school supplies that we have learned last time. So let's look at this first picture. Hmm, do you still remember what is this?
This is a pen.
This is a pen. Very good. Good job. It's a pen. How about this one? What is this?
This is a pencil.
It's a pencil. Very good. Next. Okay, how about this one? What is this?
This is an eraser.
Very good. It's an eraser. Good job. Wow. Next one. This one. What do we call this school supply?
This is a ruler.
It's a ruler. Very good. How about this one? Hmm. What is this?
This is a pencil case.
Very good. Wow, good job. I can see that you still remember. How about this?
This is a backpack.
Backpack. Wow, very good. So good job, Jessie. So I can see that you still remember. So what we have learned in school is that we have learned last time. So now let's move on to our new sentence pattern here, which we have here a question. But first, let's listen to the sound of this one, and after that, we will read the sentence. Okay. So can you tell teacher if you can hear the sound?
Page
Let,
5.
can you hear
D.
it?
Listen, ask, and answer.
Yes.
Then
Yeah.
practice.
Okay, let's listen.
What is it?
It's
What
a
is?
pen. It's. It is.
Okay. So now let's read the question here. Let's say, what is it?
What is this?
Okay, one more time. What is it?
So,
Say, what?
so, so,
What is it? One more time. Let's say, what is it? What
what is
is?
is
One more time. Let's say it instead of this. It.
it?
Yes. One more
It.
time. What is it? What?
What
What
is
is
this?
it? It. Okay, very
It.
good. So for this question, we ask this. We ask this question if we are asking about the name of this of thing. Like for example, this one. I will ask you, what is it? And you will answer with, it's a pen. Okay? So one more time, let's practice this question. So what is it, Jessie? What is it?
This
It's
is a pen.
very good. It's a pen. So good job. So for this one, it's is short for it is. So we use this one to answer what is it. Okay. For us to practice this question and answer pattern, so let's move on to our next here and listen before we try to answer this. Okay.
1,
What is it? It's a pen.
2,
What is it? It's a backpack.
3,
What is it? It's a pencil case.
4,
What is it? It's an eraser.
5,
What is it? It's a pencil.
Okay.
6,
6.
What is it? It's a ruler.
It's a ruler. Okay. So now let's practice the question here. So teacher will ask you the question and you will answer with it's a or it's an. Okay, let's try to answer this one. So for this one, Jessie, what is it's a this one? Can you see the circle? It's a what is it? It's a it's a pen.
Pen.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's try again. What is it?
It's a pen.
Very good. Okay. One more time. Let's go with the second picture. What is
What?
it?
It's a pepper.
Very good. Next, let's go with this one. What is it?
It's a pencil case.
It's a pencil case. Perfect. Next one. What is it?
It's a eraser.
Okay, very good. So one more time for this one. So for those words that starts with letter A, E, I, O, U, so we will use an. Okay, so like this one, eraser. So what letter does eraser starts? It starts with letter. What letter? This one. Starts with letter E. Letter
Letter
E.
E.
Very good. So for this one, we will use an instead of a. So it's an eraser. So for those words that doesn't or don't start with a, e, I, o, u, so we will use a. Like this one, we have here B. So it doesn't start with these letters. So we will use a. But for this one, since eraser starts with letter E, which is included in vowel sounds, so we will use an. Okay? So next one, let's have this one. What is it?
It's a pencil.
Perfect, very good. It's a pencil. How about this one? What is it?
It's a ruler.
It's a ruler. Wow, very good. So good job. So that is how we use or how we answer the question, what is it? So we will start first with it's, then what is the object? That is being as. Okay, so let's go with our next page. Okay, so here is the answer. So good job in answer. Okay, so good job in answering all of these objects. So now let's go with this question. So we will answer or you will answer with it's a, then what is the object? So let's start with this one, Jessie. What is it?
Pencil.
Perfect, very good. It's a pencil. This one, okay, let's see. What is it?
A pen.
Very good. One more time. What is it? It's a
It's a pen.
pen. This one. It's a pencil.
The pen.
Pencil case. Very good. It's pencil case. How about this one? Ching. What is it?
It's a
It's
ruler.
perfect. Very good. It's a
Ruler.
ruler. So good job. So next, how about this one? What is it?
It's an eraser.
Okay, one more time. What we will use? A or an? We will use. What should we use? A, it's a eraser or it's an eraser? We will use
And
and very good. So one more time. Jessie, what is it?
it's an eraser.
Okay, very good. So it's an eraser. So next one. What is it? What is it?
It's a pen.
Pen. Perfect. This is a pen. Good job. So next, let's see this one. What is it?
It's a backpack.
It's a backpack. Perfect. How about this one? Ching. So it's a backpack. Very good. Next one. Okay, so for this one, let's try to practice more about the what is it and it's a. Okay, so let's start with this one. So let's take a look at this object. So what is it? This one. What's it? What is it? It's a
It's a, it's a pencil case.
very good. Wow, good job. It's a pencil case. How about this one? What is it?
The
It
eraser.
very good. So what should we use? A or an? A eraser or an eraser? What shall we use? It's it's an
It's an eraser.
okay, very good. How about this one? What is it?
Backpack.
It's a
Backpack.
very good. One more time. Let's try to answer in a whole sentence. It's a
It's a backpack.
okay, very good. How about this one? What is it?
It's a ruler.
Okay, perfect. And how about this one? Ching, what is it?
A pencil.
It's a pencil. And our last one, what is it?
It's a pen.
Okay, wow, very good. So good job. So that is how we will answer if we have the question, what is it? Okay, so we will answer it's a, then we will answer by what is the object that is being asked to you. Okay, so very good. So I can see that for this lesson, you can well understood how you can use and answer the question, what is it? So good job. So now let's have our next lesson here. So let's go with lesson number 2. So, okay. So can you see the screen now?
Yes, yeah.
Is it visible? Okay. So now let's go with our lesson 2. So for our lesson 2, so what should we talk about? We will talk about then school school supplies. Okay, so for our lesson 2, like lesson 1, so we will still talk about school supplies. Okay, so again, what is our lesson, Jessie? It's about
It's about school supply.
Okay, very good. It's about school supplies. But for this one, we will have a different school supplies that we can see at school. So now, let us start our lesson here. Okay. Okay. So for this one, this will be the lesson for today. So we have here some objects that we can see mostly at school. So let me just open the audio and let's listen first to these objects. Okay. Let me just go to 11. Okay. So for this one, can you tell teacher if you cannot hear the sound, okay? So just one moment. It's just ding, 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 ding. Can you hear the sound? Yes or no? No. How about this one?
Page 6. Lesson
Can you
2.
hear it?
School supplies.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Point and say. 1,
Book.
2,
Notebook.
3,
Desk.
Notebook.
4,
Chair.
Okay. Wow. Very good. So that is
Chair.
for very good. Wow. So now let's try to read all of these school supplies again. Let's start with this one. What is this? It is
It's a book.
book. Very good. So can we say it 3 times? Let's say book, 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 book. Okay. Okay, let's try to say it 3 times. Book, book, book.
Book.
Okay, wow, very good. Next, let's have our next school supply. Notebook.
Notebook.
Okay, very good. Let's try to say it like 3 times. Notebook, notebook, notebook.
Notebook. Notebook. Notebook.
Wow, very good. How about this one? Let's say desk. Okay, very good. Let's try to say it 3 times. Desk, desk, desk.
This.
Okay, perfect. How about this one? What's this?
It's a chair.
It's a chair. Perfect. Very good. Let's try to say it 3 times. Chair, chair, chair.
Chair.
Okay, wow, very good. So now let's learn more about of these school supplies. So let's go first with our first school supply. What is this again, Jessie?
It's a book.
It's a book. Very good. And can you tell teacher what is the color of this book?
It's blue.
Blue. Very good. It's color blue. Very good. So next. So for this one book, so the book is what we use. What we use to read. So we use it to read some things. Like for example, this one I have here this. Okay. S- So what is this, Jessie? Ching. What is this? It's a
Book.
book. Very good. So as we can see, a book has many pages. So we use it to read. So to read or to learn some new things. Okay. So for this one,
Yeah.
Jessie. Yes? Okay. For this one, Jessie, do you like to read a book? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's very good. So let's say, yes, I like to read
Yes,
a
I
book.
to read the book.
Okay, very good. Good job. So good job that you like to read a book. So good job. So next, let's go with our next supply. What is this?
It's a novel.
Notebook. Very good. And what color is the notebook?
Theory.
Color green. Very good. So now for this one, do you have a notebook? Jessie, do you have a notebook?
Yes. I have the
Yes.
notebook.
Okay, I cannot see. Oh, here. So
But
here.
it's outside.
Oh, it's outside. Where is it? Outside your house or in your bag, in your backpack? Okay, so this one. This is teacher's notebook. Ching. So it has a lot of pages also. So for notebook, so
Why
notebook
I don't
is
see anything?
here.
Why I don't see anything in the notebook?
Oh, here. I have here. Ching, I have here notes. Can you see my notes? Yes, okay. So for notebooks, so we use it to write. We use it to write things, especially at school. We use it to write what teacher teach us or taught us. Okay? So for this one, check. What do you like? What do you like to write in your notebook? What do you like to write? Or do you like to draw? Do you like to draw in your
I like
notebook?
to I like to draw in the notebook.
Wow, I like to draw in the notebook. What are the things that you draw in your notebook? Do you-
I draw flower.
Oh, wow, very good. I drew flowers. That's very good. So for this one, so notebook, so it is what we use to write or draw things. So very good. So next one. So let's go with this one. Ching. What is this?
It's the
It's a
this.
desk. Very
It
good. One more
is
time. Let's
this.
say very good. One more time. Let's say desk.
This.
Okay, perfect. So for this one, so desk. What is the color of the desk?
It's round.
It's brown. Perfect. So for this one, as we can see, so desk is what we use at school. So usually we put our things in our desk. So desk is table. It's a table that we can use to study. Okay. So for this one, I cannot. Oh, this is teacher's desk. Cheng, it's very, very messy. That is my desk. Okay. So that is desk. Okay. So that is what we use to study. So for this one, Jessie, teacher has a question. So do you have a desk?
Yes, I have.
Yes. Wow, very good. How about at school? Do you also have a desk?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Wow. What in your house? What is the color of your desk in your house? What is the color of your desk?
Why?
Is it
Why?
oh col It's white. Wow, that's good to know. Okay, so very good. So that is desk. So next one, what is this? It's
A chair.
very good. It's a chair. And what color is the chair?
It's a yellow.
Yellow. Very good. So this is yellow. So for the chair, so we use chair to sit, especially at school. So chair is one of the most important things at school because we use it to sit. So for this one, this is my chair. Oh, can you see that one? Ah, you cannot see my chair, but it's color green. So that is where we sit, especially when we are studying. So now,
My
do
chair
you
is
have,
pink.
oh,
My
your
chair
chair
is
is
pink.
pink. Wow, that's
Pink.
good. Pink. Wow. So mine is green because my pink chair got destroyed. So I'm using a green chair right now. Okay, so for this one, this is a chair. So we use it to sit, to rest, or to study. Okay, so next one. Chain. Okay. So we have here another sentence pattern, like what we have learned in lesson 1. But for this one, we will continue this sentence pattern in our next class, which I think will be on Wednesday because we do not have much time and teacher has a class next. Okay. So for this one, we will discuss this sentence pattern in on Wednesday. Okay. Okay, Jessie. So thank you very much for your time today. So I do appreciate your time. And also, you did a very great job in our lesson 1 and especially in lesson 2. So goodbye. Goodbye, Jessie. And see you again on Wednesday. You can now rest.
Goodbye,
Take
teacher.
goodbye. You can now take your rest now. Bye
Thank
bye.
you, teacher.
See you again soon. Goodbye.
Basta na, basta na, camera cho con
Thank you
hả?
so much.